Hello everyone and welcome back to Blushes Sweetly, coming to you from Dollar General. I'm coming to see if I can find any of those new penny items. I was just watching Krista Coupons and was just passing a Dollar General. So we're gonna see if they have anything here. Alright. They have, I think, like 2 different areas of clearance. So we'll be checking that. A lot of this stuff is like Ensure drinks or keto stuff, which I am not seeing here. Yeah, so let me just see. I just want to get a good glance over. And alright, so here's another one. And ooh, I'm already seeing some stuff down here. Already seeing some stuff down here. Let me get my other phone so I can see if they will come up like that. Let's see. Alrighty, already found one. And then this one here. Let me see if I see any more of those. There they go. And let me scan these other drinks. Let's see. Yep, let's look there. It's a penny. Two. See if I see anything else. I don't know I can't remember exactly everything. But, hey, I might as well scan while I'm here just to see. So I'm not too sure. No, that is not. Maybe that's it. Maybe that is it. Dang. Alrighty, found another one. This one right here is supposed to be. I'm gonna scan it. Wait, where is it? Oh, where is it? I'm going to scan it. Come on, pick up. Look at that. That's a penny. Oh, a penny! Yay! Another one. Right there. Alrighty, everyone. I found a store with the 14. Wait, where is it? Right there. But guess what? You see that? Expired. But I just found one that's good until next year. So I'm going to take out the expired and give it to the manager to let him know. But the ones that, of course, that's not the big. Of course, the majority of these, they are the 11.5. That is regular price. So you're going to look for the one that's say 14 fluid ounce, and then check the date. Okay. Alright, everyone, at another store, there's 3 right there. I'm gonna check if I see anything in here. Nothing so far, but I got those. Yay! Alright, everyone, right here, if you can see where I'm at, I'm actually sitting on the floor because I was checking back here. These are those Premier protein drinks. But these, I think the thing was supposed to be 14 ounces. This is 11.5. So these are all new. They don't match the UPC. But make sure you check right around here, because this is where they put all their health stuff at. All the different ones down here. So, and this is right in front of where the register is. So you want to probably try to check around this area and see if they have anything extra right around the register. Okay, because like I said, this is the stand here, and this is where the snacks and stuff are, and energy things. So try to check all of that. I think this is all I was able to find. So we have the Slim Fast meal bar. We have the test strips here, and we also have whatever this drink is. So what is this? This is coconut. Alrighty. So yay, coconut for my coconut. Well, no, not really for her, but yay, that's what I found. Alright everyone, like, comment, and subscribe. Keep your eyes on the prize. Back to the win. See you in the next one. This store is a little on the hot side, so it's making it even harder with the mask on. If you hear me going okay, bye. Alrighty, here is my receipt, and it was so funny because the assistant manager said, wait a minute, I never even got a paper saying that there was a list. And I was like, it was a surprise. She just started laughing at me. She was like, go ahead, girl. So here it is.